There's no one right way to practice your Irish fiddle tunes, but that's not the most helpful or specific advice on the planet. So today I'm going to give you a little bit of direction if you're just starting off learning Irish fiddle, or if you want to go back and improve on your current practices and make them more effective. Hi, my name is Hannah Harris. I'm an Irish traditional fiddler, and this channel is all about helping aspiring Irish fiddlers develop their rhythm, their lilt, their groove, whatever you want to call it. It's all about helping you get a good feel for your Irish fiddle tunes. So I have 3 different areas for you to focus on today in this video, and the first one of these is structure. So you do not want to just repeat your tunes over and over again as your entire practice and hope that sometime they're just going to get better the more you play them. It doesn't quite work that way. If you want to be strategic about this, you need to go into your individual tunes and figure out, okay, what areas am I struggling with? Is it intonation? Is it rhythm? Does my bow feel like it's off? Do I need to work on making these big string skips? Like maybe you have a note on the G string that leaps up to an E and you're not quite sure how to technically make that happen. So you want to identify those areas and then go in and implement exercises that help you develop those different techniques and develop your tunes that way. So this could be through scales, this could be playing along with a loop just to help get the rhythm and the meter really internalized. This could be double stops. There's different etudes for classical music, which isn't necessarily directly related to Irish music, but it does help to have those etudes for the technique. And there's plenty of different resources out there that you can use to improve this. So in order to have structure, you need to identify what those trouble spots are. You need to get some exercises to build in and make that a part of your practice. Practice listening to tunes and learning them by ear. Practice reading sheet music if that's what you like to do. You want to really diversify your practice so that you're working on multiple different skills. And if you need help, if you need direction with this, I have a free resource for you. It's called my free Fiddle Tip Vault, and it is filled with all sorts of different tips for different areas that you might need help with, from rhythm and bowing and intonation. There's different like mindset and physical exercises for being able to play the fiddle well. It's all in there. I update it weekly, so if you need some direction, if you're not sure where to start with in improving your tunes, you can go to there and I'd be happy to help you. So you can sign up for the free Fiddle Tip Vault, which I'll link below this video. And that brings me to my second point, which is you need feedback. So whether you're just recording yourself and going back and really picking out which parts you need the most help with on your own, or whether you are playing for peers and getting their feedback, whether you're playing for a pro, or better yet, if you have a private teacher, that's a great resource for getting feedback. You want to make sure that you know where you're at in your playing and where you need to go. So you need that direction, and in order to get the direction, you need feedback. So make sure that there is space for feedback in your practicing routine. And the third point is consistency. I don't even feel like I have to say this, but I will say it. You need to be playing on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. You need to have some sort of regular routine, even if it's only for 10 minutes a day. You've got to have that consistency to build up the muscle memory, to keep it front of mind. If you care about learning Irish fiddle and you really want to take your fiddling to great lengths, you have got to practice and you've got to be consistent about it. So those are your 3 steps. You want structure, you want feedback, and you want consistency when you're playing Irish fiddle tunes, when you're developing that lilt, that rhythm, that groove, again, whatever you want to call it. When you're developing that, you've got to have those 3 elements in order to improve your fiddle tunes. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you tap that bell icon so you can get notified of any new video that I post. Let me know what other tips you'd like to see regarding Irish fiddling, and I will see you very, very soon.